Okay, let us try to solve this 3 PEMDAS problem. Okay, the one with parentheses, exponent, exponent. Okay, let us go. If you think the answer to this problem is 1, you are wrong. You are part of the 90% who are wrong. Now we solve all what is inside the parentheses first. Okay, you follow the order of operation, PEMDAS. Now, we first solve all what is inside the J, that is the parentheses. Therefore, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Then you enclose it in a bracket, you bring out the rest. Okay, now, here where most people fail. They see the parentheses, 2 before parentheses, thinks that the 2 is glued to the parentheses, and that is a lie. So, therefore, we rewrite this equation as 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. Then, by following the order of operation, PEMDAS. PEMDAS does not say do multiplication first. It says division and multiplication left to right. So we start from left to right. They have the same priority. The same goes to addition and subtraction. Okay, therefore we move from left to right, just like reading a book. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Multiply by 4. Then 4 times 4 equal to 16. And there, 16. Stop adding the first two numbers. This is the fastest way to fail algebra. What you need to do, follow the PEMDAS rule. Therefore, P is the parenthesis, no. E, exponent, yes. Now, 5 squared means 5 times 5, okay? And 5 times 5 is 25. Then you drop the rest of the equation. Then what is the next? We move to multiplication. 2 times 5, that is 25 plus 25 equal to 50. Then you add up now. 3 plus 5, 3 plus 50 equal to 53. And it's your final answer. Most students get -10. Why? Because they fell for the implicit multiplication trap, okay? Now, we follow the order of operation, PEMDAS. Okay, parentheses first. This 3 is already solved. Don't touch it. Now, to the exponents. We have 4 squared, or start with from here, okay? 6 squared equal to, that is 6 times 6. That is 36. Okay, now, divided by 2, parentheses 3, drop the rest of the equation. That's all. Then, exponent again. 4 squared, that is 4 times 4. That is, you drop the rest of the equation. 4 times 4 equal to 16. Okay, now, to the next one, we have multiplication. Let us rewrite this question as 36 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 minus 16. Now, multiplication and division have the same priority, so we calculate them in the order they appear, from left to right. Okay, 36 divided by 2, that is 18. Then you drop the rest of the question. Now 18 times 3, that is 54. Okay, and 54 minus 16, the result is 30. The result is 38. And this is your final answer.